Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Hey Google not responding on Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Yes, I'm using an iPhone, but nonetheless I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside your Play Store, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then head over to your settings, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and there tap on the option which is related to data, and then there you'll find the option that says clear data and cache. All you gotta do is do both options, and then once that's done, go back and try again. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then head over to your setting, and then once you are there, what you need to do is check for any software updates if available. Sometimes the older version of the softwares also cause the problem such as this, so what you need to do is simply update to the latest version. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.